In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop files from automatically going to OneDrive. If you're tired of seeing your documents, pictures, and other files being backed up automatically to OneDrive, this simple guide will show you how to change that setting with ease. Let's dive in. First, let's head to your system tray, which is typically located on the bottom right corner of your screen next to the clock. You're looking for the OneDrive icon. It'll appear as a little cloud, either in blue or white. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a small window that provides you with a bit of insight into what OneDrive is currently doing on your system. Once you have the OneDrive window open, look towards the top right-hand side where you'll find a gear icon. This represents the settings for OneDrive. Click on this gear icon and then select Settings again from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will open a new window specifically for your OneDrive settings. In the OneDrive settings window, you'll notice several tabs running along the left side. From these options, select the one labeled Sync and Backup. This tab provides access to the synchronization and backup options that directly affect how and where your files are stored. In the Sync and Backup section, you're going to want to find the Manage Backup button. It should be prominently displayed, so go ahead and click it. This is where we will actually control which folders are being backed up to OneDrive. Now, within this section, you'll see toggle switches for several folders commonly backed up to OneDrive. Specifically, your documents, pictures, and desktop folders. If these toggles are turned on, your files in these folders are being backed up to OneDrive. To stop this, simply turn off the toggle switches. It's as easy as clicking them so that they are no longer active. Finally, don't forget to click Save Changes to apply your new settings. By doing this, you ensure that your preferences are stored and that OneDrive will adhere to them moving forward. That's it. You've successfully changed your settings to prevent files from automatically backing up to OneDrive. This will give you more control over what gets stored in the cloud and help you manage your storage space more effectively. Remember, if you ever want to resume automatic backups, you can always return to these settings and toggle them back on. Thank you for tuning in to learn about managing your OneDrive settings, and I hope this guide has been both helpful and easy to follow. See you in the next video.